Travel TV has decided to bring us to Terrific Coffee, where coffee is being produced and also processed. We know that this is our #1 breakfast show, and the show itself is called Breakfast, and you can only find this on Travel TV. We have been told that a lot is going on here, but actually I don't know what the kind of coffee they actually serve us here, what is put inside, but we learned that it's very special. I'm not the expert here, I'm just your guide, bringing you to the wonderful places where you can have breakfast in Douala, in Cameroon, whenever you come in. So today we'll go in there and find out with them coffee, what about coffee, how is it being made, and the specialty about Terrific Coffee. Let's have a look inside. So we learned that a lot is going on here when it comes to coffee. We can find everything about coffee here. I don't know how true that it is, but so you tell us Terrific Coffee. What about Terrific Coffee?
Tout d'abord, Terrific Coffee, c'est un café de spécialité. Un café qui est produit par nos soins, qui vient de différentes régions du Cameroun.
D'accord.
Nous avons par exemple le Robusta du Mungo à Melon. Nous avons l'Arabica de Babadjou dans l'ouest Cameroun, de Koutaba, de Kwaptamo, de Baham, toujours dans l'ouest Cameroun. Également dans le nord-ouest à Kumbo, à Mbessa, à Oku, nous avons nos plantations là-bas. Et nous-mêmes, nous sommes des torréfacteurs. Ça veut dire que ce café a été torréfié par nos soins. Vous allez voir par exemple ici, venez un instant.
Ah, ok. What is this?
Là, ce sont des graines de café sélectionnées. Alors, nous ne cueillons que des graines mûres. Elles sont déjà séchées ici. Et ensuite, ça c'est le processus, ça c'est du café vert. Après le séchage.
Oh, there is white coffee.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
Et ça c'est la dernière étape, ça c'est du café torréfié, comme vous le voyez. Là nous faisons du medium roast, parce qu'en torréfaction il y a 3 types de torréfaction. Il y a le light, il y a le medium et il y a le dark. Alors nous faisons le medium roast parce que c'est cette torréfaction là qui ressort toutes les arômes du café et toutes les notes florales. Ok.
Okay, so and what are these? Is it the same?
Ce sont les différents présentoirs.
Est-ce que c'est la même chose de ce que tu m'as montré là tout à l'heure?
Oui, oui, ça sont des cafés torréfiés. Okay. Mais ici, on a du 100% Arabica qui nous vient de Mbessa, dans le nord-ouest Cameroun. Si vous voyez ici, altitude à 1700 mètres d'altitude. Parce que le café dépend de son altitude de production, de sa zone de production. Le café de Mbessa est différent du café de Bello. Ça, c'est un café qui est naturellement fruité. Ça veut dire qu'avec ça, on n'avait pas besoin de sucre parce qu'il a un goût sucré lorsque vous le préparez.
D'accord. That means that's the particularity about this coffee. Okay.
Et là, c'est 70-30 Arabica de Mbessa et du Robusta 30% de melon.
Okay. And I see something here. Is this produced by Terrific Coffee too?
Non.
Okay.
Ici, ce sont des capsules rechargeables. Avec ça, il vous suffit d'avoir un café qui a été moulu fine ou espresso. Il vous suffit de recharger. Dès que vous rechargez, vous mettez dans votre machine type Nespresso. Et puis, vous avez un café qui est fraîchement moulu, fraîchement. Et là, vous êtes sûr d'avoir un café qui est tout frais. Avec ça, vous pouvez réutiliser même 3 ans. Parce que à Terrific Coffee, ce que nous voulons, c'est que le consommateur ait un café qui soit toujours aussi frais. Qu'il ait l'impression qu'il est dans sa plantation.
Yeah, you're right.
L'impression que c'est waouh, c'est la nature, c'est tout ça. C'est pourquoi on voudrait que dès que le café sort de la machine, qu'il soit consommé.
So this is the show Breakfast, and we are here with you live at Terrific Coffee, but we are not going yet. We have a lot to show you. Most especially, she has guided us on how the different types of coffee. But we are going to go over to the coffee making machine and actually see how this is being put into the machine, processed until we get it in the fine cup where we sip and we have all the best taste ever. So very soon we'll be going to the machines of Terrific Coffee to see how this coffee is being processed in the machine, and together I'm sure we are going to have a taste of the coffee. Hello Vero.
Yes.
I'm supposed to join you here at the coffee bar.
You're welcome.
You're going to show me how to do how you do your thing.
Yes.
Cappuccino. So tell us, how is it done?
It's simple. You have to get your portafilter first.
Okay.
Then you're going to brew your beans on the machine. This is the brewer machine for the espresso. You grind it first, then you brew.
Why do this?
Yes, this one is to maintain the same level of the. There's a limit, as you can see in the portafilter. To make it, you have to maintain the same level on the top so that it's going to fit well, so you have a good espresso.
Okay.
Yes. So you need to press this way, let the water drop. So if there was any particle of the previous coffee, so it won't block the filter that is in the machine. Yeah. So then you have to put this way. Then you let your espresso to drop
On two sides.
Yes, this because this portafilter is a two-sided portafilter. You have this portafilter just one-sided.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is easy because you can get your 2 espressos at the time than to go one plate and get the other one. Yeah.
It also saves time, so it makes it faster.
Yeah,
You
you
actually
save-
serve 2 customers
Yes.
in less than no time.
Always clean, press, then you wipe this way. These movements are very important, if not. So we are gonna do 3. I think we should do
The third, yeah.
the third one.
So just to find out, immediately after the coffee is being filtered, so every other thing is thrown away.
No, like the rest of the, I don't really. This one,
Yes.
the particles that have been left, we can use it to make soap. We use it to make soap.
Okay.
You see, there's a good soap that's good for the skin that we used to make with the rest.
Because it seems like a lot.
Yeah, we do it like a recycling.
Okay.
We don't throw, we make soap with it. Since it's a two-sided, I will keep the rest, the other espresso. So now
Interesting.
we can already start because this other side is free.
So you have a particular type of milk that you use?
Yes, we need to use this one. They call it this one is a lait entier.
Yeah, yeah.
You know about it, right? Yes, we used to get it in the supermarket. Now, this is the biggest deal.
Like the crux of the matter.
Yeah, yeah. This is what, as I said, you need to push on the pressure so the milk will not block the. Because you can see there are some tiny holes.
Okay.
Yeah. If you let the milk dry, it's going to block. And next, you want to steam your milk, it won't function
It
well.
won't function well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, it actually cooks.
Yeah, actually, you see the milk is going on a particular pattern. You need to go circle like. Okay.
So
My hand is testing the temperature. When you feel it's already burning, like you feel hot, you need to stop. But
so this quantity is enough for the 3?
no, it's not going to be enough. But we are going to do more. Or do you want to leave me already?
Not yet, not yet.
Okay. So now we will do like this to make those beautiful flowers that you like.
Okay, please can we see closer so that wow,
This one is one of it.
nice.
Then the second one, since my pitcher is small, we are going to steam another milk.
So this one get away, you're not using this anymore?
No, I'm going to use this one after it's been rested because the foam needs to go down.
Okay.
See, because to have a good texture, the milk don't need to be warm. You need to always start with fresh milk. Yeah. You need to make it go like clockwise. You see, if it doesn't go on the same pattern, the bubbles are going to separate, and if you let it get done too much, the milk is going to separate from the water.
Okay.
Yeah, and you will not have a good cappuccino. The normal temperature you need to do a cappuccino or any drink with milk, you're supposed to, your temperature of the milk, as you can feel it, is supposed to be around 63 degrees.
Okay.
Because as you can see, our machine here is 94. So this process, the process like I'm reducing the temperature if it's too hot. Yeah. Again.
Wow.
So we are going to make the same flour like this 3 times.
Okay.
So we know that.
I mean, it makes it look very appetizing.
So that we know that we are doing the same thing. So we should not confuse on. Oh, please, can I have milk in the fridge? So that this way is our normal procedure. She's always assisting me. Because if we have many customers, we need to be two to help each other.
Okay.
So I was saying, you always need to use fresh milk. Because if the milk is not fresh,
the outcome will not be the same.
Yeah, you can have a good latte art.
So is it only cappuccino you do with the machine, or there are other types of coffees?
So many type of the coffees I do. If you visit our menu, you're going to see the mocha cafe hot. Okay. We do the same thing. You're going to see the hot chocolate.
All right.
You can see a latte. All of them, we do it this way. But this one is just because with the cappuccino, you can have, it's easily, you have the good texture with the cappuccino. Because the other ones are in a glass, you cannot really have the good texture.
You're really refined in doing it.
Yeah, so I'm trying to produce the same flour 3 times to show you the exact pattern of our daily cappuccino procedure.
Travel TV is having a good time at Terrific Coffee on our breakfast show, Breakfast. I'm with the ladies, Vero, she did us the coffee, and we are about savoring it to find out exactly how it tastes. And don't be upset, we are not leaving you behind. We are hoping that you can join us sometime at Terrific Coffee to have breakfast with us. So, ladies, who do us the honor to have the breakfast first?
Me.
Okay. When the producer wants to become the first consumer, I think that's very important.
It's a good example to always start what you're producing by yourself.
Okay.
Like they say in French, la bonne charité commence par soi-même.
So
good. As I did it, so I should test it before you go ahead.
Okay, we'll watch while we are salivating.
Delicious.
So we'll go second.
Okay.
Let it not just be the staff of Terrific Coffee. Please do me the honor.
Yeah.
Ah, this is good. Is this without sugar? I think we didn't put sugar in.
No, this one is pure without any sugar because it's not good too much sugar in the coffee because the sugar is going to kill the real taste. But it doesn't mean you cannot put sugar. You can put sugar, but to taste the real taste, like to have the good floral of the beans, like what we use, you need to take it without sugar, or you can take it with less sugar.
Let's not keep your appetite waiting a lot.
Yes.
So have a taste.
I have to taste.
Yes, you do have to. Awesome. Okay. Very interestingly, we would really love to stay with you till we finish our coffee, but there are other things that we'll have to do behind the scenes. Until we finish this cappuccino, we will not be leaving Terrific Coffee. But anyway, we'll have to leave you. That's how we saw it today on our breakfast show, Breakfast on Travel TV. I've been with Vero. She was the one who did the production of the coffee. I've also been with the commercial manager of Terrific Coffee, and I have been your host, Larinetta Paji Abongwa, for Travel TV. Travel TV is your online television that mostly produces content on the tourism sector. That is, we have food and beverages. That's why we are here at Terrific Coffee. There's accommodation, things on hotels, there's travel, there's transport, airlines. We also have amazing discoveries of all our touristic sites in Cameroon, Africa, and the world. And that's how we saw it. If you want to follow on our programs, you can log into our social media pages. Follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on our website www.tvtravelchannel.com. Girls, high five. We did a great job.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Bye. We need to finish this.